So, welcome to my channel. Please share the videos and subscribe to the channel. We're looking to Bitcoin. What is the last status? So, everything what I said in the past is coming true. The Moon Boys had a wonderful parabolica. Many of you following these Moon Boys, they had this. Look, really, 2 weeks I only hear from them. Not 2 weeks, 3 weeks. Yeah, here from this point I hear only parabolic, 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 parabolic. We will go here to the upside, buy Bitcoin and blah and blub. Yeah, and you can see at the end of the day, my prediction is coming true. I said here we will crash here to the downside. Yeah, and you can see we have here clear structure. The next target is 17,000. Yeah, at the moment we're testing these levels here and we will break here to the downside. So let's delete this back. So we are looking here more inside and try to understand this structure, why this is going here to the downside. Um, the real reason why this is going to the downside is we make our last retest. This structure is so weak here that we are going in every test to the downside. Yeah. The whales, they manipulate this uptrend to the downside. That's the reason why you see here a downtrend. So the next is after this testing that we're going here to the downside and we will test this level here. That means something like 17,600 or something like that. Yeah. So then we are landing here. After our last retest, then the how can I say, the next step is that the price of Bitcoin will go here to the downside. Yeah, it's we can say this a conclusion. It's over for Bitcoin. Yeah, why this is over? This was the last support of the Bitcoin price, and you can see if this breaks, then we will go really hard to the downside, and the next target is in direction of 12,000. Yeah, this is what you see here, breaking the 12,000 here. The next support is this here. Yeah, and this gap will be filled like this. Yeah, this is coming. Let me look here to the pattern. So why this is coming? Yeah, the reason is this was a bull trap. Yeah, this was a clear bull trap. We make this in orange. Yeah, this was, in other words, we built here our left shoulder, and this was a bull trap. Was for me relatively clear that this here, the uptrend, is never our bottom. Yeah, so we have to go here to the downside, and we have to finish this very hard. And this was what is coming is a huge left shoulder head and a right shoulder formation inverse. And if you look here more general, then we have to go like that to the downside. So you can see December. Do you see this? December, January. We need this small movement to the downside. So it is possible that the whales make this very quick. 1 of October to the downside, go sideways movement, make this. And from this point, we'll break here the whole negative structure. This is our big negative structure here, and we have then the possibility to go out of this channel from this negative trend. Yeah, and the falling wedge is finished, and from this point we will build our positive structure here. This will happen so in this way exactly because we have no possibility. Yeah, the possibility to break here out we miss here. Yeah, and the next trend is to go here to the downside. You can see we staying on this level, and the next support is something like 12,000. Yeah, is one of the possibility to go out of this channel. But members like the Bitcoin Club and other have another here another information. Yeah, that means one point here. I make this in green. Yeah, you can see this point here. The whales can stretch this to a very low level. Yeah, the main structure is this, but they can take this green line here and can stretch this to the downside. You understand? So this information here, how much we can go here to the downside, this has only the members from my channel. Yeah? Because we have here a huge possibility to manipulate the price very hard to the downside. And it is here exactly important to know when you buy. What is the best get in price here? So it makes no sense if you buy at 12,000, this is going very hard to the downside. Yeah. So we can mess this. If you look here to the whole structure, there's a possibility to mess how far we can go here to the downside. And if you are a member, then you know exactly how far we can go here to the downside. So in the free channel, you know the main structure. If you want more, how far the green line can go, please use your membership to request how far we can go here to the downside, so that we have here, or you have then one or two possibilities what can happen. Yeah, how far we can go here to the downside. So I would say please share the videos, subscribe to the channel, become a member so that you use the exclusive information for you and prepare yourself for the next bull run. Yeah. So have a nice day. See you later.